Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki, and today we're gonna be making some heart-shaped topiaries. We're gonna be using the heart shapes we made for our wreath, and we're gonna be adding different shapes of hearts, smaller ones. We're gonna need some pots, 2 dowels, one longer than the other one, like this, Spanish moss, twine, and for those hearts I use felt, the sturdy one, and our glue gun. Don't mind my burnt finger. I burnt myself brewing some coffee. If you want to learn how to brew coffee but without burning your fingers, I have a video on that. I'm gonna leave the card over here so you can watch it. So let's get started. This is how they turned out. As you can see, this was an easy and inexpensive DIY that you can make to decorate your home or to give as a gift. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.